Alphabets. A. Airplane. B. Banana. C. Cherry. D. Dump truck. E. Elephant. F. Fire truck. G. Guava. H. Hippo. I. Iguana. J. Jug. K. King. L. Ladder. M. Monkey. N. Nest. O. Orange. P. Papaya. Q. Quail. T. Tiger. U. Unicycle. V. Volleyball. W. Watermelon. X. Xylophone. Y. Yacht. Z. Zipline. 1. 1. 2. 1. 2. 3. 1. 2. 3. 4. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Crescent. Star. Cross. Circle. Oval. Pentagon. Octagon. Hexagon. Rectangle. Square. Green. Red. Blue. Yellow. Pink. Purple. Orange. White. Black. Gray. Vegetables. Eggplant. Onion. Potato. Chili. Capsicum. Peas. Broccoli. Bitter gourd. Mushroom. Ginger. Household items. Cupboard. TV. Toaster. Washing machine. Microwave oven. Desk lamp. Clock. Sofa. Bathtub. Refrigerator. Fruits. Pear. Apple. Watermelon. Banana. Cherry. Grape. mango, pineapple, pomegranate, strawberry, postman, policeman, chemist, teacher, artist, chef, pilot, firefighter, doctor, mechanic.
Choose an item for your sit. Bye-bye. Tap on the door to enter the store.
Hi there, I'm Moose. Welcome to Moose Juice, where the drinks help you think and the juice is served by a moose.
Hi, my name is Yaya. I am always here to help. Drag ingredients from the fridge into the blender and don't forget to follow the recipe. Let's make a sassy orange. Put 3 pieces of orange into the blender. That looks delicious. Choose a cup. Press the cup to drink, or tap the recipe book to press the cup to drink.
No. 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 No.
Now let's make a pucky pear. Yummy! Let's make a moussey mango. Delicious! Choose a cup.
No. 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 No.
Let's make a watermelon cooler. That looks tasty.
No. 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 No.
Let's make a sassy Slurpee. Yum, yum, yum.